DJI has released a new firmware update for its sub 250-gram Mavic Mini drone. His best bit about the aircraft and remote controller firmware v01.00.0600? Only that according to the official description in DJI's release notes, this firmware update optimizes the flight safety of your drone. Firmware updates, while sometimes containing more notable features, are commonly used for usual bug fixes and performance improvements. And the fact that DJI is still rolling out system updates for the original Mavic Mini, $399 for Fly More combo and free bag, is a good indication that this drone is far from its end of life. And the users who have successfully updated their drones have not reported any problems so far. This means you can also go ahead and update your Mavic Mini for better flight safety now. Before we start, please make sure to click the like and subscribe button and press the bell icon for regular updates. There is increasing competition for smaller drones, so speculation and rumor that the next DJI Mini will be out soon. The company announced the Mini range of their drones on October 29 in 2018. This series was released as a replacement for the DJI Spark, which has retired. The Mini shares similar designs with the Pro but is smaller and thus more portable. The marketing behind the series is focused on the drone's weight, which is less than 249 grams. Therefore, it bypasses drone registration regulations in many countries, including the USA. So far, the company has released the DJI Mini, the DJI Mini 2 and is now gearing up to release the third one. DJI Mini 3 release date. The company has not revealed any information on the DJI Mini 3. They have been very busy with the launch of the latest Pro. However, since this particular line is so popular due to the demand for lightweight drones, the company will not wait too long to release the next Mini. There are rumors that the DJI Mini 3 will be released in either February or March of 2022. DJI Mini 3 specifications. Again, since the company has not provided any information on the model yet, it can focus on the camera, the zoom, range, battery life, and controller in terms of the improvement that it can make. The camera is one of the more manageable pieces to update. The company would have to upgrade to either a larger sensor, or the Mini should shoot in 4K 60p. When comparing the Mini to similar pieces, the Mini would have to have increased sensor size and, as a result, better low light performance. The chances of the Mini shooting in 4K 60 are high because it is a relatively easy upgrade. People feel it would make a difference if the Mini had even the smallest lossless zoom. If the Mini has a 2x lossless zoom, it could be one of the best drones. The Mini 2 already has a range of 10 kilometers, and expecting more would be a little too much. However, people feel that there is scope for improvement if they use the OcuSync 3.0. If they upgrade, there will be better connectivity and a better frame rate. Since the company has already introduced Active Track 4.0, Spotlight 2.0 and Point of Interest 3.0 in the Air 2, people expect it to be there in the Mini 3. There won't be a drastic difference in the battery, but since similar products can stay in the air for up to 40 minutes, the Mini will have to improve to compete. The company may not upgrade to a new controller as it is still popular and works well. The company has also used the same controller with the Mavic Air 2. DJI Mini 3 price. The cost of the new drone is pure speculation at this point. Depending on the specs that they improve, the price of the drone can go up by $50 to $100. The Mini 2 is $449, so the cost of the Mini 3 will be more than that. If you need a drone immediately and do not want to wait for the Mini to come out next year, consider the DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 is the latest drone that the company has launched, and its cost came out on the 5th of November. This drone has a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad L2D20C camera and includes Hasselblad's Natural Color Solution, HNCS technology. The transmission range has also improved since the Mavic 2. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, you must press the like and subscribe button. And let us know your valuable feedback by commenting below the video.